It must be understood in that context. Morocco is an African state. So the pain that is felt by the Moroccans is also our pain. Morocco and Western Sahara region used to be one country. Western Sahara was a province of Morocco, which is very rich in minerals. It was the French and the Spanish who got involved and subdivided Morocco. And then they split it into two, the main Morocco, the greater Morocco, and the Western Sahara. Western Sahara is a very small country with a population of less than 1 million. So the only interest that these Western colonizers have in the Western Sahara is the minerals of the people of Western Sahara. It is in our eyes and in the eyes of President Zuma, one country. And we are seeing exactly the same pattern here in South Africa with those who support Cape exit, whereby this country now, the Western Cape, we all know there are minerals that have been discovered in this area. That's why the racist people of the Western Cape and some racist political parties are pushing an agenda whereby the Western Cape is going to be excised or taken out of the Republic of South Africa. So it is a similar thing that was done to Morocco and the province that I'm referring to in Morocco, Western Sahara.
Yeah.
Thank you. So my comments should be understood in that context. Maybe if any one of us needs to add anything, by all means. But please don't ask us about the money that was alleged